It's raining, it's pouring. Welcome to this amazing book, little readers. It's raining, it's pouring, performed by Peter, Paul, and Mary, illustrated by Christine Devinier. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Bumped his head, and he went to bed. And he couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Hey, I got an idea. We could all go play hide and seek inside. Now, everybody, hide, and I'll be it. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might. The wish I wish tonight. What is happening here? It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Bumped his head and he went to bed. And he couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. If you're confused too, please like down below. Let's see what is happening. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 35, 40. Now these kids are playing hide and seek. It's raining outside. So that's pretty much all they can do inside. Hey diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. These are some nice rhymes. It's raining, it's raining. The old man is snoring. But he bumped his head, and then he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away and come again some other day. Could better come again some other day. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and 75, 80. Ooh. When is he gonna start fighting? That's a big question I see. Won't be my father's Jack? No, I won't be my mother's Jill. I'll be the fiddler's wife and fiddle when I will. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, he bumped his head and he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. Other day. 85, 90, 95, 100. Anyone round my base? Is it? Here I come, ready or not. Ollie, Ollie, I'm free. This is the old man. This is a picture of them eating stuff out in the rain and a cow. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next